Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, Mom and Sir. I am Vanessa Michong Kadawat. I am 36 years old. I am single mom with 2 kids, age of 17 and 15. I graduate finished vocational course electronics. I have 3 sisters, 3 brothers. I am the fourth of the family. Thank you, Mom.
How would you describe yourself?
I am cheerful, honest, and hardworking. I love cook. I can follow my employer instruction.
Okay. Why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad because financial problem, especially I want to finish the school of my kids and to save money.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, Mom, I have work experience. I am work in Kuwait 8 years, one only employer. I work inside and outside in the house and I cook them. And in Dukan, I work in my cousin, baby, 2 years old and finished contract.
How many years?
2 years, Mom.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of small children, newborn
Yes.
baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, Mom, I'm willing.
How would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I encourage them to play, listening music, teach them to dance, singing, and drawing. If the baby is crying, maybe he or hungry, I will give milk and I check the diaper if full or dirty. And I check also if the baby temperature. I inform to my employer directly.
Okay. What will you do if you become homesick?
If I'm homesick, I will tell to myself that I came here to work abroad for the future of my kids and to save money. And also if my employer wants me, he can extend me and renew my contract.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, Mom.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, Mom, I'm willing.
How do you describe your cooking skills?
I'm not expert, but I know how to cook. I can also cook Filipino food like adobo, soup, and escabeche. I want also to learn your cook of my employer.
Okay. Do you have any food allergy?
No, Mom.
Do you eat everything?
Sorry, again, Mom?
Do you eat everything?
Yes, Mom, I eat everything.
Can you sing for me a nursery song?
Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, fruit salad.
Okay. Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, Mom.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, Mom, I will promise.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, Mom, I will.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Sorry, again, Mom?
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, Mom.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, Mom.
How about smoking?
No, Mom.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, Mom.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, Mom.
Are you willing to share room with the children and elderly persons?
Yes, Mom, I will.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, Mom.
Are you willing to work during day off and every employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, Mom, I will.
What is your final message to your future employer?
Hello, Mom and Sir. I am Vanessa Michong Kadawat. I am 36 years old. I am single mom with 2 kids. I am hardworking, honest, and loyal. I have patience with the children. I will make my family same as my family. I will pray and also your children. I will promise that I will finish my contract 2 years, and also I will learn also your native language and native food. Please choose me as your housemaid, Mom. See you soon. Thank you.